Support Indian Learning Quiz channel by sharing and subscribing. The Tibetan river Tsangpo enters India through the state of Answer. Arunachal Pradesh. Which of the following is an inland drainage area? Answer. Rann of Kutch. The planet closest to the Sun is Answer. Mercury. What was the main objective of Green Revolution in India? Answer. Modernization of agriculture through science and technology. The nature of winter rainfall in northwestern India is Answer. Cyclonic. Which one of the following cities never experience vertical rays of the sun during noon? Answer. New Delhi. Who of the following founded the Ahmedabad Textile Labor Association? Answer. Mahatma Gandhi. The most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere is Answer. Nitrogen. Duncan Passage is located between Answer. South and Little Andaman. The Gulf Stream is an ocean current which begins Answer. Off the coast of Florida. For which of the following crops does India have the largest cultivated area in the world? Answer. Rice. This state contributes 70% of India's coffee and silk. Name the state. Answer. Karnataka. The mountain range which stretches from Gujarat in the west to Delhi in the north is the Answer. Aravallis. Which planet in the solar system is named after the Roman god of agriculture and harvest? Answer. Saturn. 70% working population of India is engaged in Answer. Primary sector. The Bhakra Dam is built across the river Answer. The main area of production of icebergs is found in Answer. West coast of Greenland. The phases of the moon are caused by Answer. The rotation of the moon. Most of the rivers flowing westward from the Western Ghats do not form deltas because Answer. Of the high gradient. In the northern hemisphere, due to Ferrel's law, the wind is deflected. Answer. Towards its right. Tapti River originates from. Answer. Satpura Range. Wind actions create mushroom rocks which are usually found in. Answer. Hills. The least populated state in India is. Answer. Sikkim. Which one of the following gives the correct sequence of ports down the western coast of India? Answer. Porbandar, Marmagao, Mangalore, Kochi. Which one is not a port in the east coast? Answer. Cochin. Hanging valleys are formed due to the action of. Answer. Glacier. Which of these continents has maximum per capita land? Answer. Australia. Through which mountain range passes the Konkan Railway Track? Answer. Western Ghats. Lightning and thundering are the characteristic feature of which layer of the atmosphere? Answer. Troposphere. Which of these volcanoes is called the lighthouse of the Mediterranean? Answer. Stromboli. Which state is the major producer of mulberry silk in India? Answer. Karnataka. The Chilka Lake region is situated between the deltas of. Answer. Mahanadi and Godavari. Guwahati is situated on the bank of the river. Answer. Brahmaputra. The least populated state in India is. Answer. Sikkim. Kiel Canal connects. Answer. The Baltic Sea and North Sea. Ozone layer in the outer atmosphere helps in. Answer. Absorbing UV radiations. What is meant by the term midnight sun? Answer. Sun shining in the polar circle for a long time. The longest dam in India is. Answer. Hirakud Dam. The rapid sliding of large masses of bedrocks is called. Answer. Landslide. Tidal forests are also known as. Answer. Mangrove forest. Which state got its name from five rivers that once flowed through it? Answer. Punjab. First vessel acquired by the Department of Ocean Development (DOD) for fisheries and oceanographic research. Answer. Agarkanya. Nairobi is the capital of. Answer. Kenya. Capital of Belgium is. Answer. Brussels. Garba is the dance form of which state? Answer. Gujarat. Which of the following river does not originate in India? Answer. Brahmaputra. Mention your score in comment box. Thank you for watching.